Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and we're back again with another tutorial video. So for today, I'll be teaching you on how to remove suggested pages on your Facebook account. But first, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. The process is actually very easy, so to start, let's go to my Facebook account and then let's click on the three bar button at the top. Okay, and then let's go to the pages. And then here, all your suggested pages will appear here. So if you have a lot of suggested pages, you can just easily remove that here. So as for me, I only have one. So let me just remove this. Okay. After removing that, you can now go back. So that's how you remove your suggested pages on your Facebook account. The process is very easy. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on our next video.